M2 Performance 28. This is our latest build, BMW M2 G87. I'll take you around the car and show you what we've done. So first of all, from the front, you see it's got yellow DRL lights. So these are like replicate the BMW M4 CSL. Replace the white lights that come standard from the factory. On the front end lower front valance, we have Tyres Pre Preg carbon fibre front splitter. Coming around the side of the car, you'll notice these gorgeous EDELWEISS LT3 lightweight gold wheels, finished in satin gold, Michelin Pilot Sport tyres, Pre Preg carbon fibre lower side skirts as well. And massive rear wheel. So the rear wheels are wider than the front. It's a staggered fitment on these. You get 305, 25, 21 rear tyres. So a huge rear tyre, good footprint. 10.3 kilograms in weight on the back wheels. So really lightweight wheel, reducing some of the unsprung weight on the axle. Come the side of here, so this is actually a BMW fit part. It's got carbon fibre mirror backs. See this MHC ducktail spoiler as well. It's nice again, pre-preg carbon fibre. You can see there, the quality's perfect really. Down the rear diffuser, again MHC carbon fibre diffuser. Just makes the back end look a bit more aggressive. This car's been lowered on MMR adjustable springs, so you can adjust the ride height to as low as you want really. And the car's been detailed by ourselves here, Performance 28, and we've used G Crystal Serum as a ceramic finish on here with C5 wheel armour for the wheels and brake calipers to keep them nice and fresh. But I think this car, the proportions are just amazing. I think the car looks absolutely stunning. I'm sure you'll agree. This car's got the track pack as well, so carbon fibre seats. It's a manual, which makes it more appealing to the driver focused out there. But yeah, if you see the interior, it's absolutely gorgeous. Lightweight carbon fibre seats. Again, manual gearbox. Heads up display as well. It really is a stunning car. And an absolute privilege to work on as well. Hope you enjoyed the video. Join us for more in the future. Thanks again. Have a nice day.